Good morning, student. So, previous classes we discussed the splitting crystal field splitting theory in the octahedral complexes. So, when the d orbitals, all five d orbitals are degenerate, it have a all have a equal energy. When these degenerate, average energy d orbitals are uh, ligands and metals repulsion. So, it is split into the two part T2G set and EG set. T2G has the dxy d yz and d exz. So and another is dx square minus y square and d z square. So five d orbitals are split. So next, the ligands with the large negative charge and the small size produce a large crystal field. Those have a is the ligands large negative charge and a small size having a more repulsion. So split, and these octahedral complex have a d1, d2 and the d3 electrons. In case of the metal ion have d1 electrons or d2 electrons or d3 electrons, then each electrons are occupy one of the lower energy. It means the only one type of configuration T2G, T2G1, T2G2, T2G3. There are no electrons jump to another higher level energy EG set. But in case of D4 ions, two possible pattern for the filling of the electrons. The fourth electrons enter into the T2G and pair up with the existing electrons. It means in a lower energy the pairing is start. Or another, it could avoid the pairing and enter the EG set with the higher energy. The possibilities occur due to the octahedral, the crystal field splitting energy and the pairing energy P. So when the fourth electrons enter have a lower energy then enter into the T2G set, but when jump another way to the jump this way. P for pairing of energy. So energy required to electrons pairing in the single orbital. So when the octahedral crystal field splitting energy is lower than pairing, then the fourth electron enter into the EG orbital and configuration is T2G3 and EG1. In this case, ligands are known as a weak field ligands and the complex are high spin because electrons are spin highly, means low octahedral splitting energy, weak field ligands, and it is called the high spin complexes. If the octahedral energy greater than pairing, the fourth electron occupies a T2G set. Means the pairing energy is less than this energy, crystal field energy, then the electronic configuration of D4 is T2G4 and EG0. It means the EG have no electrons. All orbitals are empty. So this type of ligands known as the strong field ligand and form the low spin complexes because electrons are low spins, high octahedral energy equal to the strong field ligands, and it is called the low spin complexes. So it is the all about the octahedral crystal field splitting theory. And that term is the spectrochemical series. The ligand which causes only a small degree of crystal field splitting are called the weak field, but in case of the which causes the large splitting are called strong field. So strong and weak field, the arrangement of ligand in order of their crystal field splitting energy delta O value is known as a spectrochemical series. It is an increasing order of the delta O value. So greater than H2O generally cause the strong field, and lower the H2O is called the weak field. Next one is a crystal theory for the tetrahedral complexes. It means the coordination number 4. So the splitting pattern for the tetrahedral complexes is just reverse the splitting pattern of the octahedral. It means the E set is lower energy and T2 set is the higher energy. In case of the tetrahedrals, we do not use the G. G for G-rate, it means it have no symmetry. So no symmetry, therefore we use only the T2 and E. So the three degenerate d orbitals dxy, yz and the zx will have a more repulsions, will have the high energy, and it is called the T2. But in case of the dx square minus y square and dz squares having the loops between the ligands will have a minimum energy, and the repulsion, it have a minimum repulsion, so it have a lower energy and it is called the E. And delta T is a smaller than the octahedral, it means it is the crystal field energy for the tetrahedral. So delta T smaller than octahedral, in this case unable to electrons are pair up. Generally in tetrahedral complexes all are low spin configurations. In case of the tetrahedrals, the unable to electrons are pair up, so mostly the low spins are rarely observed. So generally all is a high spin. It means the electrons jump to the higher energy. Due to the absence of the symmetry in T2 and the E, not right, because G for G rate in the tetrahedral have no symmetry, so we do not write the G. Only we write a T2 and E this way. So d orbital in free hands average energy of the d orbitals dxy, dyz and dzx, it is called the T2 and present in the high energy state, and dx square minus y square and dz square splitting of d orbital in the lower energy, and it is called the T. The center part is a very center and total energy difference is the delta T. So T2 is raised by the 0.4 delta T and the Eg is lowered by the 0.6 delta T. It means the when electron enter into the higher energy T2 have increased the 0.4, but it is the lower, just reverse of the octahedral complexes. So it is the all about the tetrahedral crystal field theory.